The figure below shows an empty rectangular tank measuring 80 cm by 50 cm by 60 cm. They told us that the water flows from tap A, so this one will be going in at a rate of 8 liters per minute, and then from B at a rate of 6 liters per minute, this one is going in, and then C will drain the water from the tank at a rate of 4, so this one will be going out. So it's in and out. They said that at 1 p.m. tap A was turned on, and then at 1:15 p.m. tap B and C were turned on together, presumably. At what time will the tank be completely filled with water? This type of question, right, always come up for exam one. Okay, it's very, very common. So you all should really listen up for this one if you all have no idea how to tackle this kind of question. The first step you need to do, right, is to find the capacity of the tank. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the capacity of the tank. So capacity of tank, that will give us 80 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 60. If you all cannot remember, right, the capacity of a cuboid will be length times breadth times height, which is why I did this. So let's just go ahead and throw that inside a calculator. Let's see what do we get. Okay, 80 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 60, and that will give us 240,000. Okay, cm cube of water. Cm cube of water. Why do I like to separate, right? It's because here, if you do not separate, it looks like this. To adults and to tutors or teachers, right, this one is not a problem to us because we know that they are 40. But for students, if you do it like this, right, sometimes, right, they may actually see it as 240,000. Okay, it's very common. I've seen this mistake many times, which is why every single time I write for my student, I'll go and write 240,000 instead of 240,000. Okay, so for this one, for parents who are watching this, please teach your kid this method as well. It's quite good. Now, they mentioned that at 1 p.m. tap A was turned on, and at 1:15 p.m. B and C were also turned on. Now, I want to find out the amount of water that in 15 minutes, you see from here to here is 15 minutes. So I want to find out in these 15 minutes, right, how much water flowed from tap A into the tank. And we know that tap A flows at a rate of 8 liters per minute. And then total that's 15 minutes, right? From here to here is 15 minutes. So since 1 minute is 8 liters, I'm going to find out 15 minutes. So for tap A, I'm going to write tap A, 15 minutes would be 15 multiplied by 8. And that will give me 120 liters. I'm going to convert this into cm cube. Now, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay, 1000 milliliter equal to 1000 cm cube. Because 1 milliliter equals to 1 cm cube. Okay, using this conversion, this is under called units conversion. So 120 liters will give me 120,000 cm cube. Okay, so you know that in 15 minutes, right, tap A already filled 120,000 cm cube out of the 240,000 cm cube, which is about half. Then they said that at 1:15 p.m. tap B and C will also turn on. Now, before we even move on, right, I'm going to ask. After this one has already filled up 120,000 cm cube, right, how much water is needed to fill from here all the way to here? Okay, so I'll just take 240,000 minus 120,000, and this will give me another 120,000 cm cube. So this is the amount of water that will need to be filled into the tank when B and C and A are turned on. Now, when they say that at 1:15 p.m. tap B and C will also turn on, right, means that tap A will also turn on, you know. So that means at this point of time, right, at 1:15, right, all 3 taps will actually turn on. What a waste of like water, right? But alright, whatever. Now, so we have to figure it out. A plus B is what? This one for tap A, right, it adds water at 8 liters per minute. Tap B is 6 liters per minute. Tap C is draining at 4 liters per minute. Why do I want to write this down? Is because I want to tell you all, if all 3 taps are turned on, what is the final flow of water per minute? The final flow of water per minute, right, will be 8 liter plus 6 liter minus 4 liter. Okay, so this one will be flow of water. The flow of water would be 8 plus 6 minus 4, and that will give us 10 liters per minute. Which means that if I turn on this one and this one and this one simultaneously, right, the total flow of water will still be 10 liters per minute. And then I have this much to fill. Okay, convert this 10 liters per minute to your cm cube. Since 1 liter is 1000 milliliter equals to 1000 cm cube, 10 liters would be 10,000 cm cube. Because you have to multiply by 1000. So you multiply 10 by 1000, you're going to get 10,000 cm cube. In 1 minute. In 1 minute, I can fill up 10,000 cm cube. I have 1,200. So I have 120,000 cm cube of water to fill. So how many more minutes do I need? So I take 1200 divided by 10,000. Okay, throw this figure into your calculator, you're gonna get 12 minutes. Which means that after 12 minutes after 1:15 p.m., the tank will be completely filled with water. So what is 12 minutes after 1:15 p.m.? So the time would be 1:27 p.m. Okay, so after you add 12 minutes to 1:15, it will be 1:27 p.m. For this one, right, there's not a lot of working involved. Please don't go and write nonsense like 1.15 plus 12, then you go and write equals to 1.27. Does this working even make sense? 1.15 plus 12 equals to 1.27. How does it make sense? It does not make sense at all. So usually for time, there's actually no need for great working over here, unless it's talking about plus hours plus minutes. But if it's plus hours plus minute, right, just go over to my time video that I've already created, right, and see how I add them up. Do not write this. If you write this, if your teacher is, not terribly nice, your teacher will just minus 1 mark, because this logically doesn't make any sense at all. Just write down the time is 1.27 p.m., 1:27 p.m. Okay? So while parents are watching this, remember the units conversion, and then teach them this method. This is the most important method over here. Teach them the final flow of water first, when all 3 taps are open simultaneously. Only with this can they get the answer. If not, they will start doing like 1 tap flow this much, 1 tap flow this much, another tap drain this much. Okay, you all cannot do. It'll be a very, very tedious method. Okay, done.